morning. It's Julie Corey from Mercedes-Benz. I just wanted to show you the vehicle that you inquired. This is the 2022 GLC 300. This is the lunar blue metallic. It has the aggressive Mercedes-Benz emblem. Also, it has a lot of the traditional style with the chrome elements, as you can see. This is the 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. And then you have the side mirror, the traditional chrome around the windows. And back here you have the badge of GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC. Inside you will see the color is macchiato beige with the black flooring. It's a beautiful car. It's a beautiful SUV and it's great in snow. Colin, you'll also see the Panoramic Roof, as well as on each side has the heated seats, the memory seats. Now if I start the car, on my left side you'll see that there's a digital cluster. This car has 6 miles. And on my right side is the infotainment center. It's touchscreen. So we have the phone, the radio, Sirius XM, media, comfort level, and ambient light that gives you 64 colors to choose from. Information. That's the vehicle engine, consumption, and owner's manual, Mercedes Me app, and settings. That will give you the assist, vehicle lighting, and systems. This car also has the dual climate control. We also have the keypad or the mouse. And this car also comes with a dynamic system which can be for individual, sport, sport plus, and comfort. Colin, give me a call at 207-510-2252. Thank you.